If you ever find yourself wandering alone in the forest, and you hear whispers that don't quite belong, leave immediately, for if they draw near and wish to remain unseen, they'll mimic the sounds of the wild. There were some travelers who ventured deep, and they began to hear strange noises, like the call of a laughing owl, but it didn't sound quite right. Then they heard rustling from different directions, as if the forest itself was alive. One of them, sensing danger, slipped into the river and crawled away, moving silently like a shadow. He escaped after hours of stealthy retreat. I regret that we lost the footage, but there was a recording when they encountered the forest spirits. The spirits stood at the edge of the clearing, their eyes glowing in the dark, holding spears made of bone. The villagers tried to offer them gifts, sending a raft laden with fruits, hoping to make peace. You could hear the spirits communicating in eerie, animalistic tones. We know the sounds of the forest, but these were different, a language of the unknown.